So students, then next we'll discuss exercise 2.2. What is that? Exercise 2.2. So in that exercise 2.2, these are very important examples. So in that, take examples. Prove that following. Prove that following. So here, first example, 3 sine inverse of x equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube for all x belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. And second example, prove this example. 3 into cos inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. 4x cube minus 3x. Here for all x belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. These are same type of examples. We solve, we can take RHS, then substitution method. Here in first example, we put x equal to sine theta. This is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is nothing but sine 3 theta. Sine inverse sine get cancelled. 3 into theta. Theta is nothing but sine inverse of x. So same as this example. So in that two example, I can solve one example. Here first one example. Let us take RHS part. RHS part is equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. 3x minus 4x cube. So in this example, put x is equal to directly sine theta. This implies that what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to sine inverse of x. Okay. Then your RHS become sine inverse of 3x is nothing but sine theta minus 4x cube is nothing but sine cube theta. 4 sine cube theta, that is equal to sine inverse of. So this is nothing but 3 sine theta and 4 sine cube theta is nothing but our standard formula sine 3 theta. Sine 3 theta is your formula. Here sine inverse and sine get cancelled. Your answer is 3 into theta. 3 into what is your theta? Theta is nothing but sine inverse of x. So this is your LHS. This is your LHS. Is clear that? Students, very easy example. And same as in second example, we put x equal to cos theta. Then 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but cos 3 theta. Cos inverse, cos get cancelled, 3 into theta. Theta is nothing but cos inverse of x directly. Is clear that? So write down this example and this is your work. Is clear that? Okay, write down students. Then next example, that is also proving example. These are 2 marks example. That is also a standard formula example. In that, this is third one. Tan inverse of 2 divided by 11. Tan inverse of 2 divided by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 divided by 24. Tan inverse of 7 divided by 24 is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2. This is also same example. Another example is there. Tan inverse of what is that? 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 divided by 11 is equal to tan inverse of 2 divided by 11 equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. Then fifth one example. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2. 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Tan inverse of 1 divided by 7 is equal to tan inverse of 31 divided by 17. Tan inverse of 31 divided by 17. Okay, these are very important example. Okay, these three examples are same method and same property. What is the property? So already we know that the property like tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. What is the formula for tan inverse of x plus y? Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Same formula. Tan inverse of this is x plus tan inverse of y. Direct formula. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Solve that step. We will get this one. These are two same examples. So that is also same formula. But first we simplify this first term. This is not of the form tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So this is first of the form 2 tan inverse of x. First we will solve this first term 2 tan inverse of x formula. Then we compare with that one tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Okay, students, I solve this example only. Then these two are your example. It's a very simple example, sir. Okay, let us take. We can take a fifth example. LHS is equal to what is your step? 2 into tan inverse of 1 divided by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Okay, keep this step as it is. So apply in first term. What is the formula? 2 tan inverse of x formula. This is what is the formula for 2 tan inverse of x? Tan inverse of 2x divided by 2 into what is your x? 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus x square. X square is nothing but 1 by 2 its whole square plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Keep as it is. Is clear that? So here 2 and 2 get cancelled. This is tan inverse of 1 divided by. So this is 1 by 2 square is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4. So plus this is tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Okay, next that is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by. So take LCM. 1 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of reciprocal this term. We will get tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Okay, so this is a standard form. So this is what is asked. This is a standard form of same example. Tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of. This is also tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. So this is only change. In first term 2 tan inverse of x is there. Then we will solve. Then again this is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Then solve. So what is the formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y? That is equal to tan inverse of x plus y. What is your x? 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 whole divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 divided by 7. Is it right? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is nothing but tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y is our standard formula. Is it right there? The next step, tan inverse of, in that take LCM. So 7 3s are 21 is the LCM. So multiply by 7, multiply by 3. Is clear that? 4 into 7, 28 plus 1 into 3 is 3. It's whole divided by. Here also 21 is the LCM. So multiply that one is 3 into 7 is 21. 21 minus 4. It's clear that? Here 21 and 21 get cancelled. Same term. 21 and 21 get cancelled. That is equal to tan inverse of 28 plus 3 is 31 divided by 21 minus 4 is 17. So this is your RHS. This is your RHS. Is clear that? Huh? These three are very important examples. These first two examples are in 2 mark and this fifth example this is 3 mark example. Clear? Very simple examples are there. So this is 2 tan inverse of x form. First we will solve this term. 2 tan inverse of x is nothing but tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Solve this step, we will get tan inverse of 4 by 3. Then again compare tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 is nothing but tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Then we will solve tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. We will solve, we will get the answer RHS. Huh? So these two examples are same. Is clear that? So students, note down this example and next remaining two examples, example number 3 and example number 4 are your work. It's clear that? So this is your homework, this is your also, these two are your homework. This is your work, so this is your work. So very simple example. Try yourself. Then next examples are simplification examples. Same, already we in previous class we studied that write the simplest form of examples like same examples. Is clear that? Write down. Write the following functions in the simplest form. What is the question? Write the following. Write the following functions. Write the following functions in the simplest form. Write the following functions in simplest form. In simplest form. Write the following functions in simplest form. In that example number, what is that? We take example number 5. Example number 5. First one that is tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Okay, this is very important example. The simply what we have to find that the simplest form of this example. So this is first we'll think that this is substitute, put x equal to substitute one standard trigonometric functions, then we'll get answer. So here in outside the bracket tan inverse is there, in the bracket we get tan function, then tan and tan inverse function get cancels. This is the value. So you go on through your process. So here in this x is equal to what we have to put that? Put x equal to tan theta. Because put x equal to sec theta, what we have to do that? 1 plus sec square theta is there is no formula. So that's why put x equal to tan theta. In this example, that is equal to put x is equal to tan theta. So this implies that theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So that is equal to this example, very important example, it is tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta and minus 1 as it is whole divided by x is nothing but tan theta. So that is equal to tan inverse of, so root of 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, standard formula, whole divided by tan theta. So that is equal to tan inverse of, so root and the square get cancelled, sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Is clear that? Sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Then what we have to do that? So here sec theta minus 1 there is no formula, tan theta is also there is no formula. Then we simplify by using trigonometric identities. That is sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta, tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to tan inverse of sec theta is nothing but 1 divided by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. Then next, simplify this step. Tan inverse of take LCM. 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta. It is whole divided by sin theta divided by cos theta. Here cos theta get cancelled. The remaining step is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Is clear that? That is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus sin theta is nothing but already we know that cos 2 theta is equal to formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Already we know that. Its half angle formula is cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Is clear that? So we need 1 minus cos theta step. So simplification this will get 2 sin square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta. Is clear that? 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by using half angle formula. Sin theta is nothing but again half angle formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Is clear that? So tan inverse of this formula is 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2 whole divided by sin theta is nothing but half angle formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Sin and 1 sin is get cancelled. The remaining is tan inverse of tan theta by 2 because here also one sin term, here also cos term. Sin divided by cos is nothing but tan. Tan inverse and tan get cancelled. Here answer is theta divided by 2. Theta is nothing but what is the value of theta? Tan inverse of x. So this is answer is tan inverse of x divided by 2. Tan inverse of x divided by 2. So students, this is a very important example. See that. So what are the formulas? Half angle formula as well as what is in which angle we have to put. So this is very important. So note down this example. For 3 mark example this is. Next example write down tan inverse of 1 divided by root of x square minus 1. Tan inverse of 1 divided by x square minus 1. There is also very simple example. In previous class we'll discuss cot inverse of 1 divided by root of x square minus 1. Here also put x equal to sin theta, put x equal to sec theta or x equal to cos theta. So I can solve by using 2 methods. So here first one, let us consider this example. Let put in this example x equal to sec theta. X equal to sec theta. We need to find in numerator tan term or cot term. Tan term is nothing but tan inverse tan get cancelled. Cot term is there. Then cot can be converted into tan of 90 minus term. Here put x equal to sec theta. I can solve two methods. Okay. Put x equal to sec theta. Then x equal to cosec theta. Okay. So here put x equal to sec theta. Then the step will that is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by root of sec square theta minus 1. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by, so root sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but what is sec square theta minus 1? Tan square theta. Tan square and root get cancelled. Root of clear step tan square theta. So then tan inverse of 1 divided by tan theta, that is equal to tan inverse of cot theta. Here tan inverse of cot theta. Here in the bracket tan is there, then tan inverse tan get cancelled, but here cot angle is there. So the cot angle can be converted into tan in terms of tan inverse of tan of pi by 2 minus theta. It's clear that tan and tan inverse get cancelled. The remaining is pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta is nothing but, what is your theta? Theta equal to sec inverse of x. Sec inverse of x, that is equal to pi by 2 minus sec inverse of x is nothing but cosec inverse of x. Is clear? Already we know that the formula sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equal to pi divided by 2. Okay, then sec inverse of x equal to pi by 2 minus sec inverse of x is nothing but cosec inverse of x. Or another method, in this example, put x equal to cosec theta. Then this implies that tan inverse of 1 divided by root of x square minus 1. Put x equal to cosec theta is nothing but cosec square theta minus 1. That is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by cosec square theta minus 1 is nothing but cot square theta. Cot and square and root get cancel, remaining term is cot theta or root of cot square theta. Okay, square and root get cancel. Tan inverse of 1 by cot theta or tan inverse of, what is that? 1 by cot is nothing but tan theta. Tan inverse tan get cancel. The remaining step is theta. Theta is nothing but, what is your theta? Theta is nothing but here. Theta is nothing but cosec inverse of x. Cosec inverse of x is the answer. Okay. So by using two methods, you can solve here. In this example, put x equal to sec theta. This is the relation, same answer. So put x equal to cosec theta, same answer. In inverse trigonometric functions, one example can be solved 2 or more methods. Is clear that? So, but answer will be same. Is clear that? Okay, write down this example, students. Next example, write down seventh one. Tan inverse of, in the bracket, root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Very important and easy. 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Very simple example. Already we know that cos x equal to half angle formula 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. By using this, 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x, and again cos x equal to half angle formula 2 cos square x minus 1, and minus 1 shifted to that side, we will get 2 cos square x equal to 1 plus cos x. Is clear that? So 1 minus cos x is already, we know that 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2. Sorry, 2 cos square x by 2. Put the same, we'll get answer. So that is equal to tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x is nothing but 2 sin square x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2. 2 sin square x by 2 and 2 cos square x by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. Then sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2 is tan square x by 2. So tan inverse of root of tan square x divided by 2. Here root and square get cancelled. The remaining answer is tan inverse of tan x divided by 2. Here tan inverse tan get cancelled. The answer is x divided by 2. Is clear that? This is very easy example, students. And again one example, I will say 8th example. Try yourself. Just try. Otherwise, in next class I will solve. Okay. What is that? Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So already this type of examples are there in first example. Is clear that? So students, this is all about some of the examples. In remaining example are discussed in next class. Okay, thank you students.